continue with exercise 14.5. Exercise 14.5, question number 1. Draw AB of length 7.3 cm and find its axis of symmetry. So first of all, we will draw line segment AB of 7.3 cm. This will be A, this will be B and 7.3 cm. First point will be draw AB of 7.3 cm. Next one, with center A and radius more than half, we will draw arcs on either side of A and B. So this is AB. This is the radius more than half of AB. Now we will draw one arc over here and another arc over here. Same process we will do with B as a center. Now we will write steps. With center A and radius more than half, length of AB, draw arcs on either side of AB. Repeat the same with center B. Next, now this will be point X and this will be point Y. Now we have to join X, Y. So join X, Y. Then line XY is perpendicular bisector of AB. This is question number 1. Now question number 2. Draw a line segment of length 9.5 cm and construct the perpendicular bisector. We will draw a line segment of 9.8 cm. 9.5 cm. This will be point A, this will be point B, 9.5 cm. Now we will write first step. Draw AB of length 9.5 cm. Next, with center A and radius more than half, length of AB, draw two arcs on either side of AB. So we will take, this is same as what we have done in question number 1. Same we will repeat with, repeat the same with center B. Next time, join CD. This will be point C and this will be point D. Thus, CD perpendicular, thus CD is perpendicular bisector of AB. Question number 3. Draw perpendicular bisector of XY whose length is 10.3 cm. First, take any point P on the bisector drawn. Examine whether PX is equal to PY. Next one, if M is in the midpoint of XY, what can you say about the length MX and XY? So, we will draw XY of length 10.3 cm. First step, draw XY of length 10.3 cm. Next one, with X as a center and radius more than half of XY, we will draw arcs on either side of XY. So, this will be the radius. We will repeat the same thing with Y as a center. Now we will write next step. With X as a center and radius more than half of length of XY, draw arcs on either side of XY. Next one, repeat the same with Y as a center. Now this will be point A and this will be point B. Point A and point B. Now we have to join AB. Next step, join AB. Now AB is perpendicular bisector of X1. Now what we have to do is, we have to take point P on AB. Then we have to join PX and then we have to join PY. So over here we will take point P. Now we have to join PX and PY. You can see that PX and PY both are of 5.4 centimeter. Join PX and PY. Now B. If M is the midpoint of XY, then MX is equal to half the length of XY. If M is midpoint of XY, then length of MX is half length of XY. This is question number 3. Question number 5. With PQ of length 6.1 centimeter as diameter, draw a circle. So first of all, we will draw a line segment PQ. Length of the line segment will be 6.1 centimeter. First step, draw a line segment PQ of 6.1 centimeter. Next one, construct perpendicular bisector XY of line segment PQ. Let XY and PQ intersect at O. Now as we were drawing in previous sums, similarly we will make a perpendicular bisector this will be X and this will be Y. Now we will write next point. Construct perpendicular bisector XY of line segment PQ. Let XY and PQ intersect at O. So this will be O. Now, since XY is perpendicular bisector of PQ and O is the midpoint of PQ, this will be the center of required circle. Next step will be, since XY is perpendicular bisector of PQ. Therefore, O is midpoint of PQ, which will be the center of required circle. Now, with center O and radius equal to the length of OP, we will draw a circle. Now we will write next step. With center O and radius equal to length of OP, draw a circle. So we have constructed a circle having diameter equal to 6.1 centimeter. So this is question number 5. Question number 6. Draw a circle with center C and radius 3.4 centimeter. Draw any cone AB. Construct a perpendicular bisector of AB and examine if it passes through C. So first of all, we will draw a circle with center C and radius 3.4 centimeter. We will take radius 3.4 centimeter. This will be center C. So we will write first step. Draw a circle with center C and radius 3.4 centimeter. Now AB will be the chord. Let AB be chord of circle. Next one, with center A and radius more than half of the length of AB, draw two arcs on each side of AB. This is more than the half, so 1 and 2. Similarly, we will do this process with B point. So we will write next point with center A and radius more than half of length of AB, draw two arcs on each side of AB. Repeat the same with center B. Now this will be point M and this will be point N. Now we have to join M and N. Next step will be join MN. Thus, MN is perpendicular bisector of chord AB. So rest of the question, it means question number 7, 8 and 9 are cancelled.